To delete your call history in the T-Mobile app, which is called My T-Mobile, start by opening the app on your phone. Once logged in, navigate to the Account section, then Usage, and finally Calls and Texts. In the Calls and Text section, you can select individual calls to delete or use the Clear All option for recent history. Keep in mind that this only removes the call log from the app's display, covering approximately the last 90 days shown in-app. T-Mobile retains call logs on its servers for 18 to 24 months for billing, fraud prevention, and legal reasons. Therefore, deleting from the app does not fully erase your data from T-Mobile's systems. For complete removal of your call logs beyond app deletion, contact T-Mobile customer service through the app's support chat or by calling 611. Specifically, request a formal data erasure under laws like the California Consumer Privacy Act. Also, explore the Privacy and Data section in your account settings, available in app versions 10.15 and later. Here, toggle data sharing off to limit how your call data is used for analytics. Be aware that third-party integrations, like syncing with Samsung or Google accounts, may complicate full erasure. While deleting call logs in the app is a good first step, contacting T-Mobile and adjusting privacy settings are essential for more comprehensive data control.